Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning to you. This is the 1 Minute Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you another quote to help try and kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom. Don't give up on the person that you're becoming. You, my friends, are becoming someone truly amazing. Now, think about how far you've come so far in your life and this little journey of yours, how much you've achieved. The tough times are hard, but you can work through them one by one over and over again. Now, when you finally reach that goal of yours, you will be able to finally meet the real you that you spent all this time molding yourself into and becoming, and boy, you will be thankful that you didn't give up on them.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.